Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the default video resolutions on an Android camera. So in here, I'm going to start by opening my camera apps on my Android phone. And here I'm using a Vivo a model phone. And here, let's go to video. So the current resolution is 1080p with 30 frame rate, and if you want to change it, just click on it. You can see this is the default resolution and frame rate. You can customize in here, but if you want to change the default, click on this. Now just select the resolution and also the frame rate. For example, the rear camera is on 720p at 60 fps, and also the front is 720p at 30 fps. Now you can go back, then the new default video resolution will be saved. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.